Are you in need of merging MBOX mailboxes with accuracy? Introducing SysTools MBOX Merger Tool. MBOX Merger Tool easily add, merge, and combine multiple MBOX files into a single file. Key features of the software. MBOX Merger Tool merge MBOX mailboxes with accurate metadata, attachments, and folder hierarchy. The software loads selected MBOX files or folders using Add Files and Add Folders options. MBOX Merger Tool split automatically MBOX files when the total size exceeds 10 GB. Control the MBOX merger span with its robust date filter. To install the software, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The first screen will appear. Software has user-friendly interface. You will see two options to add your data. Add Files or Add Folders option. Click on any one. Select the MBOX file and click on Open button. If you have added wrong file, then you can remove that file by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. After satisfying with the added data, click on Next button to continue the process. In the Create New MBOX File option, combine all your MBOX files into a newly created file while preserving the integrity of the emails. Here, you are free to name the resulting MBOX file to improve the organization and recognition of the merged email data. Merge an existing MBOX file easily combine several MBOX formats into an already existing MBOX file without losing the metadata, attachments, or folder structure. Just locate the file path. Splits MBOX files when the overall data exceeds 10 GB. You can choose Split MBOX after file size option to divide the mailboxes into multiple MBOX files of preferred size. To merge with specific date range, then you can select Merge MBOX within date range. After select this option, choose the start date. By default, the software saves the resulted files on the desktop. If you want to change, then click on Change button. Select the destination location where you want to save the resultant files. After all the settings, click on Merge button. The software starts the process of Merge MBOX mailboxes. Once the process is completed, the message, Merge process completed successfully, will pops up. Click on OK. The software will show the final report with total item count, success file count, and failed file count. Click on the View Report. And you can see the export report and resultant MBOX file. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.